Thank you. Come again. Alis na tayo.
Parang may problema ka.
Yan na yung bridge. Ano yung bridge na yan? Ilocos, Apari, Tugigaraw. Ilocos tayo.
Wow.
Sa kamote tayo nabuhay, sa kamote tayo lumaki, sa kamote rin tayo mamamatay.
Wow.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Ayan ang Sanchez Mira. Ayan ang Claveria. Ganda oh. Diba? White sand. Andun pa yung patapat oh. Yan pa yung iikutin natin. Ganda oh. Dulo ng Pilipinas. Oh, the best. Oh. Oh. So this is it. Tapat Bridge. Welcome to Tapat Bayan. Speed limit is 10 kilometers per hour.
I wonder if you're thinking about me.
I'm lying to myself to keep from crying.
Oh my God! Wow!
This baby, you're all I see.
So why do we pretend that we don't know? When you and I were face to face just 2 nights ago. I didn't mean to get so close. I tried to tell myself let go. Take it slow, don't let it show. My